how to sneeze the right way. So, when you're outside in the park or anywhere and you have to sneeze, like this, achoo, 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 achoo. But don't do that, because if someone touches wherever you sneeze, then they'll get virus, because it's coronavirus time, and you also need to cough. So like, alright, you know what I call it, don't you? Like, I can't even make the right call. And don't do this, or don't use a napkin to do it. I'm gonna show you how to sneeze the right way. Because if you go like don't do this, or don't use a napkin, because it'll get through your hand. So you have to wash your hands and then put in the garbage can. So how to sneeze and how to cough like the right way is you take your hand up like this and then sneeze like this. Achoo! And when you cough, then like that. Let me show you closely. Achoo! 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 Got it? Please subscribe to the channel. Bye!